Okay, very good. So this is our Revidia UI, and what we're looking at is that centralized data source, that centralized data collection coming in from all of your platforms, and seeing that displayed here. We see details about the performance of your revenue as the different platforms are reporting. And then we also can glean insights from the top platforms that you have and that you're distributing to, things like minutes streamed, views, impressions, all of the common KPIs that are being collected from those platforms in one very simple dashboard. Now, there's a lot of data here. That data lake can get rather big. So finding specific details within Revidia can become very easy when we talk about the Copilot. Okay, so we're going to take a look. We have our Copilot pulled up. We're in our Revidia interface, and we want to find out details about your distribution, about the performance of that content. And maybe the first thing as you log in, and pretend that you're an everyday user, you're logging in, you want to see how your content's performing. And the first thing you want to see is, what is the most popular title in my catalog? Well, we can show that to you through our asset management system. We can drill in, we can glean in the reporting. Or if we come here and ask the question, using the Revidia data lake and all the data that we've collected, it returns very quickly that the most popular title in our catalog is Family Feud. So that's telling us what happened, right? It tells us based on historical data that Family Feud is the most popular title in the catalog, but also why? Well, it has the highest amount of viewers. So the total amount of viewership of Family Feud is 7% higher than the next most popular title, and 12% than the average of all of your content. So the Copilot's not going to just answer that question of what's the most popular title in your catalog, but also give you the reason why and some context around that popularity. Now, if I also wanted to find out, well, which platforms have the most viewership of game shows, right? So these are platforms that we've configured to be part of the Revidia data sources. And we can ask it, what platforms have the most views of game shows? Now, I did have quite a big spelling mistake in there, and the Copilot was still able to determine that based on the data within Revidia, Samsung TV with approximately 3.2 million views, it has the most views of game shows of the platforms that we're distributing to. Now, in this case, we're working on Beat the Buzzer, right? And so that Beat the Buzzer channel is fed, that buzzer channel is fed through the Microsoft workflow and is being delivered to Samsung TV and Roku, which now are the top platforms for viewership.